Hey everyone, welcome back to day 21 of our English learning series. It's Zero here with my awesome co-host, Emma.
Hey guys! How's it going? It's great to be here with you all today. If you're tuning in for the first time, welcome. And if you've been following along, thanks for sticking with us.
Yes. So, for day 21, we're diving into something super useful. English for shopping, banking, and daily life. These are all situations we deal with almost every day, right?
Absolutely. Whether you're picking up groceries, making a purchase online, or dealing with your bank, having the right phrases can make life a lot easier. So today, we're going to talk about common phrases and vocabulary you need to know.
Let's start with shopping. Emma, what's something you always say when you're out shopping?
Well, I use phrases like, "How much is this?" Or, "Do you have this in a different color or size?" It's basic, but it gets the job done. What about you, Zero?
Oh, definitely. How much is this? But I also find myself asking, is this on sale? Because who doesn't love a good discount?
Oh, I'm with you. Discounts are life. But Zero, what if the item isn't marked? Or what if you're not sure about the price?
Oh, good question. If it's not marked, you can say, "Can you tell me the price of this?" Or "How much does this cost?" Simple and straight to the point.
Nice. Those are super useful. And what if you're looking for something specific, like a jacket or shoes? What would you say?
I'd say something like, "Do you have jackets in a size medium?" Or, "I'm looking for shoes. Can you help me find them?" It's good to be specific.
Exactly. Now, speaking of jackets, Zero, how would you ask for something if you didn't see it in the store?
That's a good one. I'd probably say, "Do you have this in stock?" Or, "Is this available in another store?"
Nice. You could also say, "When will this be back in stock?" if you're planning to come back later.
And of course, let's not forget, "Can I try this on?" That's key, especially when you're trying on clothes.
Absolutely. So, we've got shopping covered. But what about banking, Zero? Have you ever had to go to the bank in an English-speaking country?
Yeah, I have. It was a bit tricky at first, but once you know a few key phrases, it's pretty straightforward. For example, when you're opening a bank account, you might say, "I'd like to open an account." Or, "What documents do I need to provide?"
Oh, that's a good one. I've also used, "I'd like to make a deposit," or "I need to withdraw money." Simple, but necessary phrases.
And what about ATM? Do you use the ATM much?
Yep. Whenever I need cash, I head to the ATM. You might say, "I'd like to withdraw $100," or "Can I check my balance?" I love how simple it is once you know what to say.
Exactly. And speaking of banking, there's also the online side of things, like when you're dealing with mobile banking apps. For example, "How do I transfer money?" Or "How do I pay my bills?"
Oh, those are super helpful phrases. And don't forget about customer service. If you're having an issue, you can say, "I need help with my account," or "I have a problem with my transaction."
Yes. Now that we've got shopping and banking covered, let's talk about the everyday phrases we use in daily life. Emma, what's something you say a lot?
Oh, for me, it's "I'm running late." I feel like I say that all the time. Or, "I need to grab a coffee before work."
Huh. I say I need coffee at least 3 times a day. But also, "Where's the nearest grocery store?" is something I ask a lot, especially when I'm in a new area.
Oh, that's a good one. And when you're at the grocery store, I'll always ask, "Can you help me find the eggs?" Or, "Where's the dairy section?"
Yes, those are lifesavers. And when it comes to ordering food or going to a restaurant, phrases like, "I'll have the chicken salad, please," or "Can I get this to go?" come in handy.
Speaking of food, Zero, do you have a favorite phrase you use when you're at a cafe?
Oh, totally. I always ask, what's today's special? Because I love trying new things. Or, if I'm feeling lazy, can I get a latte with almond milk?
You can't go wrong with a good latte. And let's not forget, can I have the bill, please? When you're ready to leave.
Oh, definitely. And for anyone who's learning English, these small, everyday phrases really make a big difference.
They do. And once you feel comfortable using them, it becomes second nature. The key is to practice.
Exactly. So, we hope today's conversation helped you feel more confident with English for shopping, banking, and your daily routine. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon enough, you'll be using them without even thinking about it.
That's right. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow for day 22. We've got more great content coming your way. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.
Take care, everyone.